Welcome to IQ Splash! Can you guess the brand in 10 seconds? Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Let's jump right into the challenge.
Can you guess the brand? It's Apple, the iconic technology brand. Which brand is this?
So high, feet on the ground, but I still get by. The rules were made for someone else to try.
It's Nike.
But not me.
Can you name this brand?
Not me. They said slow down, son, take your time. But I was born running every stop sign.
Starbucks, a globally recognized coffee brand.
No chance to hold.
What brand do these emojis describe?
I'm breaking the mold. Sky is the limit. I'm out of control tonight.
Burger King, a popular fast food brand. Can you guess this fashion brand?
Every doubt just feeds the flame. Every scar reminds me why I came. I've been broke.
Lacoste, a stylish clothing brand famous for its crocodile logo. Which drink brand is this?
The stars are down like good old friends. Saying, boy, don't stop where the sky just ends. Sky is the limit.
Coca-Cola, one of the world's most recognizable soft drink brands. Can you identify this brand? McDonald's, the famous fast food chain. Can you guess this online brand? The answer is Amazon. What music brand is this?
Sky is the limit, no chance to hold. Sky is the limit, I'm breaking the mold. Sky is the limit,
It's Spotify.
I'm out of control.
Can you name this social media brand?
No chance to hold. Sky is the limit, I'm breaking the mold. Sky is the limit, I'm out of control.
The answer is Snapchat. The answer is Snapchat. The answer is YouTube. Can you guess this messaging brand? WhatsApp, a messaging platform. Which car brand is this? Tesla. Can you identify this luxury brand? The answer is Ferrari. What car brand do you see? It's Mercedes-Benz. Can you guess this sports brand? The answer is Adidas. Which streaming brand is this? It's Netflix. Can you name this coffee brand? The answer is Dunkin'. What beauty brand is this? MAC Cosmetics. Can you guess this luxury brand? Gucci, a famous Italian luxury fashion brand.
Thanks for watching this quiz. If you want to see more, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.